Hello, I just wanted to talk today about something that I see going on in these TombForks. And this probably goes on in all DeFi projects if if they're able to do it. As you can see here, this is Snow Tomb. So on February 1st, see, today is this February 2nd, now they came out to say, oh, 5 million total value locked. So basically, they were doing fine. Everybody was investing. Everything was fine. Okay, I want to show you this morning. This morning, look, it's like at least 75% gone, that money. Where did the money go? So if you look here, this is Deck Screener. You can see this is one of their coins slot. And so you can see yesterday, I guess, when they announced this, you could see how all the money was being poured in and it went to this all-time high. What happened is people are swing trading. This is more of like I'm assuming this is more of a, you want to stake your coins, you want to invest some money, stake your coins, and earn some APR. That's basically what it is. But people are treating it like swing trading. So basically, they know all this money is being poured in, and then once it's up here, everybody pulls out and dumps. It's kind of like a pump and dump thing. So, yeah, so now if you stayed in there, say you had, whatever it is, it was okay. So yesterday, this is the higher coin. So say you had, even if it was $100, um, this is like 90%, so you're left with like $20. So now your only choice is to stay in there and hope this recovers. So basically, yeah, people are pumping and dumping and making the coins, sorry, uh, value drop by like 90%. So people that have small bags or even a bigger bag, you're still losing, you know, um, a lot of the money that you invested in there, overnight. And basically, yeah, I just wanted people to be notice of that. I notice it happens like overnight a lot, the middle of the night. And I'm in the US, so I guess a lot of people in the US, take part in this thing. And sometimes these are groups of people that come together, like a bunch of friends or just people online. Let's say, let's go do a pump and dump. So basically, all this money pours in there, and they're basically robbing you of all your money. You know, yeah, and that's not good for DeFi because it drains everyone else of their money. So that means now people don't have money to invest in DeFi anymore because you drained them of their money. A couple of greedy people made some money, but everyone else has to leave now. So all that money leaves, so it becomes less and less profitable for DeFi itself. So, people that act that way, when they know this is not that type of platform, this is more like, even though I would consider it short term because things like this do happen, and people call it high risk. Um, Tomb Fork is different, the original Tomb Fork, or Tomb Finance, I'm sorry, Tomb Finance, because there is so much money locked in there that it's hard to pump it and dump it, because there's so many people. You have to get so many people to act. It's harder to make it move that much, I'm assuming. But these that are low, they have low amount of value in there. The people, like they call them the whales, or people that have bigger amounts, when they withdraw, you can actually see when they dump on it, whatever, you can actually see it going down. And I actually saw it like yesterday. I noticed, ooh, my balance went down a little bit. And usually, it will go up and down because people take profit. That's normal. But when you start to see like big percentages, like 20, 30%, that's when I go, I think I'm going to get out and sit. I put my money, even though if I had like a 20 or 30% loss, I just withdraw my money, leave it in my somewhere, convert it to a stable coin or something, and I kind of just sit out for a while because I don't want to lose 90%. The thing about it is, yeah, that happens in DeFi. It goes up and down, or in any market. But the thing about it is, these these are considered high risk because they're new and you don't know how they're going to perform. And if people are manipulating it and they know how to manipulate it, then you know that's where it becomes high risk and you can lose a lot. The thing about it is you don't know if this platform is strong enough to regain the value it had before. So this was like 12, maybe, I think it was even $12 as S2. Let's see what it was before. See, now this is only $300. Yesterday it was like 2,000 or 4,000, I think. Let's see what it was. Look, it was like 6,000 and it went down to 300. That's a huge drop. So let's see this S2. Let's find out what that was. I was in that one. And look, 70%. So I probably lost 20, 30%. I don't know. Probably 40%, 30, 40. I don't know. No, it was less. It was probably like 30% until I pulled out. Look, see, and this was just like 2 days ago. It was $15. Then it went down to like 10. That's when I was kind of like, huh. And then it's just like slowly went down, and now it's like $2. And this one is supposed to be pegged to like AVAX. Not AVAX, but it's like a 0.1 or a point, like 10% of AVAX, which still it would be under peg, considered under peg. So, and also these boardrooms, the boardrooms, sometimes you earn stuff and they dump on one of these coins. So a lot of people, they'll earn it and they'll dump it. They won't reinvest. So, I mean, you know, before this, the places where people were staking a lot were at the dexes, like if you know Ape Swap or Pancake Swap, those are where you swap their dexes. But they also have staking there. They weren't as high as these APRs. So, yeah, it's just, the market is down. There's not a lot of places to make money. People are losing money. They get sour grapes and they go out and take revenge on people. But actually, it's going to hurt everyone overall. If you like this market, this crypto market, this does not help because now a lot of people have to leave it. So now only the people left are the people with money, and they're going to do them to themselves. They're going to wipe themselves out eventually, unless there's it. You have to have some controls for this. I don't know how you do it. You know, that's how these things are. You kind of have to watch them, and then markets do go up and down, and there are scams. But yeah, it's sad. It's sad. But anyway, I just want to let you know, like, what to watch out for. That's why these are considered high risk, or any DeFi or crypto is like that. But thank you. Bye bye.